hectic, hey? To think there's a Muay Thai gym that had like Thailand champions and shit in it. Yeah. Wow. So we used to just run like around the outside, just like 50 laps. Yeah. That's actually cool. Like they've put some, be like an NGO or something, put some money into it and gives the kids something to do, man. Fucking cool. Bro, same bags even. Oh, wow. Remember Bunkley Nye from One Championship? He used to always take a dive. That's Sumland Chai, that was my old clinching partner. Bunkley Nye. Got a photo of him when he was a monk. They used to go all the way down there, like there's mirrors down there, and then a pool table, and everyone used to play pool while we were training and shit. Most of it's Bunkley Nye. I got a feeling it might have been his old boy who took over, was taken over or something maybe. He used to like just kick up when I say all the dust, I mean all the dust.